cat. You've been caught.
Everyone in town is furious when they discover that the cute cat is the culprit.
Oh no! We're out of food!
Hello, Mom. Have a nice morning.
Wow, the kitten is so excited when its mother invites it to go shopping at the supermarket.
Let's help Mom find eggs.
Wow, the obedient kitten found the egg counter very quickly, then continued shopping for other items in the supermarket with its mother. The kitten was very surprised and delighted when it saw the beautiful fireworks stand in the supermarket, and it immediately asked its mom to buy fireworks.
No, my son! It's very dangerous!
But as soon as the mother cat went to pay, the kitten couldn't contain its excitement and immediately ran to the fireworks stand.